Hi, this is Joshua and you're now watching The Idea Mobile. Some of you may have aware that Honor Malaysia will be launching the new Honor 9X very soon here in Malaysia. And the Honor X series has been one of the best-selling smartphones in the market that sold over 15 million units globally. And I was fortunate enough to get our hands on of the new Honor 9X here. Let's cut things short and see what the Honor 9X has to offer. This is the box of the Honor 9X. To take note, this is a review unit, thus the final box might be different. The one that I have here is the midnight black colors, and it has another color called sapphire blue that has a dynamic X design on the back. First, you get the phone. Inside there's another box that contains SIM ejector tools and the transparent TPU case. Next is the 10-watt power brick and a USB Type-C cable. The most question asked about the Honor 9X: does it have a GMS, Google Mobile Services? Good news, the Honor 9X has pre-installed with the GMS out of the box, so you don't have to worry much. Let's talk about the hardware. It has a 6.59-inch IPS display with no notch or hole punch. So you'll be getting a full-view display experience with over 91% screen-to-body ratio. There's a 16-megapixel pop-up selfie cameras alongside with SIM card and micro SD slot tray. On the back is a triple camera setup with an ultra-fast fingerprint scanner. At the bottom is Mr. Jack, microphone, USB Type-C and speakers. Under the hood is Huawei Kirin octa-core processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 120GB onboard storage that can be further expanded up to 512GB. Coming back to the camera, it has a 48-megapixel main cameras, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Here are some photos taken on the Honor 9X. A more complete and comprehensive review will be made available on our website when it goes official. So what do you think about the Honor 9X? To leave your comment down below. The Honor 9X will be announced very soon here in Malaysia, and do consider subscribe to our YouTube channels, follow us on social, as we'll be covering the launch of the Honor 9X very soon. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.